everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful thankful sign. If you want to know how, just keep watching. And all you need is some stencils that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It come like about 10 to 12 in a package of different signs. Some black paint that I got from Walmart, and also some chalk paint that I got from Walmart, and a brush, and a board, whatever size you want to use. Okay, well, let's begin. Here I'm using a brown marker about 3 to 4 inches apart, however way you want it to be. And it just kind of make it look like an old piece of wood. Always let your paint dry if you move your stencils to another section of your board. like to thank all of my subscribers, my new subscribers, and the one that has been with me from the beginning. Thank y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy this video and have a blessed day. Have a safe day. And always remember that God do love you. And so do I. Be blessed. Bye-bye.